In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the beautiful recipe I make my fried rice. Yeah. So if you want to see how I made this delicious fried rice without adding any color, keep watching. Let's run our intro. Yeah, so here are the ingredients I'll be using. This is my green beans. I call this green beans. I bought two types of green beans. I don't know, I think this one is called green peas. Okay, but all I know is that they are vegetables. So I bought the two types. Yeah, and they are so amazing in fried rice. Okay, so this is my carrot. Yeah, I've chopped it. Like, I don't like chopping vegetables. I just chop it in the way that I know that I'm comfortable with. So chop it in the way you are. And this is my spring onion, and this is my red bell pepper and green bell pepper. Yeah, so this is my what they used to call this one again, my corn, sweet corn. Okay, so this is the sweet corn and this is fresh chicken. Okay, I'm using old layers. Yeah, I think old layers, the sauce, the taste is just so nice. Okay, yeah, so the next thing to do is just to add your chicken into the pot. And here I have all my spices: Benny, Mivina, chicken glory, I think. Yeah, and pepper. I have pepper, tatashi, green pepper, onion in the blender. I'm going to blend all of it like this. That's so good if you blend your spices like this and add it in your meal. Or the flavor, the taste is so unique. Okay, so after adding it in my chicken, not my chicken, I beg, in the chicken, I'm going to give it a good stir. Like this tastes so nice. The flavor alone, the thing has up to but the flavor alone is so nice. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, to so you won't be missing any of our amazing recipes and interesting videos. Okay, so this is what it looks like after stirring. I'm going to cover it to cook. So this is it. After like 10 minutes, I think so, 7 to 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead to add not my I'm going to go ahead to add the kidney. I did show you guys this earlier. Some people use hot dog, but I prefer using this kidney. That's so nice. So I'm going to rinse the blender and add the water into the chicken to continue cooking. Okay, so this is my washed rice. Okay, so the chicken have cooked well and I've taken it out. I'm going to use this stock. This is the perfect color I needed. I didn't want to add any color, any fried rice color to the rice. Okay, I'm going to add salt, add Cameroon pepper because I want it to be spicy. That's the only thing I added back after adding the rice and allow it to cook. It's not so strong and it's not so soft. Okay, it came out the way I wanted it and the color is perfect. Like, you don't need any color, you don't need any spice color to your fried rice. Just use this red bell pepper, green bell pepper, add your spice and the color. Then I trust me, you're going to love the color. Okay, so this is the chicken. It has done its work. Okay, I'm going to just fry it and keep it aside. That is it. So I've gone ahead to cut the kidney into tiny pieces that I'm going to be frying it with the rice. Okay, with the veggies and the rice here. So this is the kidney. Yeah, so the next thing is to add oil on my pan. In the pan, why am I always saying my? Add salt. Yeah, a little bit of salt. Add thyme and curry. Yeah, so and stir, allow it to fry for some minutes. Or is this the fry? Which one? Add your onion, anyone, I beg. Add your onion and fry so it will release that beautiful flavor. Yeah, the next thing is to add your green beans and green peas. Because tell me the difference between these two. Green peas and beans, green vegetable, I beg. I don't know the difference. If you know, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I want to learn too. Yeah, after adding it, I'm going to add my carrot. I'm already saying, I'm still saying my, add the carrot, all the veggie you want to add, the hard veggies. Yeah, don't add the soft one yet. I'm going to continue stirring it to, I'm going to continue stir frying it. That's how they say it. It's stir frying now. Yeah, I'm going to continue stir frying it for like 5 minutes till it's done how I want it, not too strong and not too soft. After that, I'm going to add the spring onions because if you add spring onions in your fried rice, I mean in your meal, or more, the flavor it's taking it to another level. Okay, after that, I'm going to add the green and red bell pepper. Oh my god, the flavor of these veggies, oh my god, after that I'm going to continue stirring it. Okay, yeah, I've not even welcomed my subscribers, so thank you so much for always coming to support your baby girl. God bless each and every one of you. Don't worry, just don't worry, sit down. This rice go chop on today. Okay, don't worry. So after that, stirring it for some minutes, I'm going to take some of the vegetables out because I'm going to be frying the rice bit by bit. Okay, yeah, because I stored some in the freezer. Yeah, to cook fried rice now, to cut vegetables is just wahala for me. That's just it. It's simple, but to cut vegetable, almost, I mean, my husband have to come out and help me cut it because I hate cutting it. So after taking the vegetables, some of them, I'm going to add the red kidney and corn, yeah, and continue stirring. Then start adding the rice bit by bit and continue stir frying it till it's done. I don't want it too hard because of my son. Yeah, so how will I say it now? It's not too soft and it's not too hard. It's just okay. Okay, in the way that if you put it in your mouth, you can just chew it. Okay, yeah, but I just love the vegetables. Like, if I had known, so I would have added more, like bought more vegetables. I love vegetables. If you know me, I love vegetables well. Okay, yeah, so I love how the vegetable are just smiling inside it. He's smiling now, how they are laughing and playing inside this rice. Like, it's so delicious. The flavor, the aroma, oh my god, like, you guys, I don't even know how to explain it well. Okay, so this is Mr. Frying it, and this is the color, how beautiful it is. You don't need any color in your fried rice. Okay, Lucy said so. Try this recipe for your family, for your husband, for your, no be me talk am sha. So this is the outcome. I've served it for my husband man to taste now. Got one result because what I'm wishing for a hair. So this is the beautiful color. Trust me, this jollof rice is on another level. Okay, you just want to have a taste of it. Okay. And I'm going happen and names are more for my. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I love you all. God bless each and every one of you for all the amazing support, my people. Don't worry, and I know see me get more for my. Okay, don't worry. Bye guys.
My wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything. My wife, oh, she love me better. Mata de ma, my baby, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my wife, oh.